What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Gala Games. Currently we're sitting at 32 cents. It looks like we may be bottoming out for Gala, and I'm gonna tell you why. We're sitting at a market cap of 2.27 billion, 24-hour volumes 628 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. So let's get into Gala. Here we are on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see we came up and we hit resistance at our third entry at 36 cents. Now I've moved up. Our fourth entry was at about 26 cents, but I've moved it up because we bounced off this level. So if we see a double bottom pattern, I want to be able to bring down our break-even price and get more money into our trade. Now, if it were to break lower, of course, I have buy zones all the way down here. However, guys, we are bottoming out on the daily. If we come over to the daily time frame, the RSI is very close to oversold. The money flow is in the floor. The MACD is absolutely in the floor. So we may see some consolidation, just something like this. We hit resistance and we kind of consolidate in this range. Now, if that does happen, our break even will come down and we'll be able to make some profits trading our friend Gala. Because if we look at Bitcoin, we're just going through that Wyckoff accumulation. So if Bitcoin trades sideways, the rest of the market is going to trade sideways as well. But sometimes when that happens, altcoins will break out. Some volume will step in and they'll start to break out. So hopefully we see that with Gala. We are having the bearish cross on the daily, which is a bearish indicator, guys. And we do have a breakdown target from this descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, take you all the way down to this next buy zone. It is a possibility, guys. We could slowly bleed or quickly wick down to 0.20, but if that does happen, we're always ready. We get more money into our trade and we get ready to ride the slingshot back up. So do watch for that double bottom. I'll jump back over to the 4-hour time frame. If we come down, we find support and you see us bounce up to this level of resistance and we break the neckline. Take a measurement from the bottom of your pattern up to your neckline. Could be a juicy breakout right up to that take profit zone at 0.44. You can see our break even is 0.430. So if we do hit this buy zone, it will bring your break even down even more, and then you'll have a better chance to bounce back into profits for our friend Gala Games. That's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick update. Just wanted to show you guys that it does look like we're bottoming out as all the indicators are in the floor. And we may just trade sideways as Bitcoin consolidates, but hopefully we can come down, hit that buy zone, and break out of that double bottom and head up to that take profit zone. If we were to drop lower, guys, I don't think it's likely we come all the way down to 0.20, but always a possibility. It does line up with this level of support, and that's our next buy zone for Gala Games. Now, I have given some future price targets if we have bottomed out here. So if this were to be our true bottom, of course, that's not promised. Then your next impulsive wave target would be the 1.618 coming in at $1.61. So just be patient, guys. I do think Gala is on the verge of bottoming out. Hopefully we see that reversal structure and we break out back to the upside. I do think that's likely, or we're going to see a little bit of consolidation while we hit resistance on the EMAs. But the EMAs can push us down here on the daily. That's why we're always prepared with our next buy zone at 0.205. If you want early access to the DCA charts, sign up to the Discord where I'm updating them regularly for many altcoins, as well as 1,000 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Price of a coffee, $3.50 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.